In this video, I will be showing you how to install Eclipse IDE on Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just search for Eclipse. We'll be having the official downloads link from eclipse.org. Just select this, and here we will be having the download option. Select this, just click on download here, and the download will be getting started. It is around 159 MB in size, so just be patient. Once the download is complete, just open it. We will be getting the Eclipse installer, and here we are having Eclipse IDE for different purposes. Here we are having for PHP, C or C++, Enterprise Java and Web Dev, and another one is for Java developers. So just choose the one according to your use case. I will just go with Java developers, and here we are having Java version, which is Java 21, and we can choose any other version also if you want to. And this is going to be the installation folder. If you want to change it, just click on browse and just select the folder where you want to install. Once that is done, just select install, click on accept now. This will take some time, just be patient. Once the installation is done, we can simply click on launch, and this is going to be the folder where Eclipse will create the projects. If you want to change it, click on browse and change it, and if you want to have this as a default one, you can check this. After that, just click on launch. So the Eclipse IDE is open now. Here we are having an option to create a Java project. You can do the same by going to file, new. Also here we are having some more things apart from that. So I'll just click here, and first we need to have the project name. I will just go with demo project, and here we can select the version. We are having this much, and this is going to be the default location. If you want to change it, you can. I will just leave with the default options and click on finish. And here is my demo project. Here I'm having the source folder. You can simply even delete it. Yeah. So now in source, right click, new, click on this class and just have a name. I will just go with the same name, demo project. And here make sure that you are checking this public static void main, because I don't want it only to be a class. I want to have a function in it. And uncheck this inherited abstract methods also. If you want, you can have it. Just click on finish, and now I'll be getting the class along with a function. So now let me just have a print statement. It's going to be system dot out dot print, and we can just have a text. We'll just go with hello. That's fine. We can save it. Control yes, and here we are having the run button. I will run it, and as you can see, I have got the output over here. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.